I remember the weight of it. The way I love you felt like a heavy chain, and forever felt like a deadline I couldn't meet. Love's Lies. It wasn't just an album. It was my skin. I wore those scars like a badge of honor, thinking that to be hurt was the only way to be human. I looked at the mirror and saw a stranger, a man who had traded his peace for a handful of broken promises. But then, the air changed. The silence wasn't empty anymore. It was full of your name. I realized that love isn't a battlefield, and trust isn't a weapon used against you.
Handikati kutarisa kumashure nekuti kumberi kwangu kwa kachena misoja kaoma yakasiya nzira yerunyararo marwadzo akanyura akasiya chitsuwa chemufaro. I burned the old maps, the ones that led to dead ends. I tore up the scripts written by fake friends. No more lies, no more crying in the dark, no more hiding the pieces of my heart. Zvose zvakangezva kaipa zvakaenda nemhepo. Iye zvino rudo rwako ndirwo rwakapedza manyepo.
This is the turning point. The moment where the truth becomes louder than the pain. We aren't just surviving anymore. We are living.